Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many people face when working with FFmpeg. The problem at hand involves creating a blank video with multiple audio tracks and subtitles in different languages. The user was able to successfully add the audio tracks, but ran into a challenge when trying to include subtitles. Despite adding the subtitles, they weren't appearing in the final output, leaving the user scratching their head. Let's delve into the solution that was provided to address this issue. So, the solution to the problem lies in using a specific FFmpeg command that combines different elements seamlessly. By utilizing the following command: FFmpeg flavi I color equals black, s equals 1280x720, ieda.mp3 ifre, the mp3 igr, mp3 ieda.srt ifre, that SRT, IGR, SRT map 0, V map 1, A 0, map 2, A 0, map 3, A 0, map 4, S 0, map 5, S 0, map 6, S 0, metadata, S, A 0 language equals E to metadata, S, A 1 language equals for metadata, S, A 2 language equals GR metadata, S, 0 language equals E to metadata, S, 1 language equals for metadata, S, 2 language equals GR C, S, 0 MOV underscore text C, S, 1 MOV underscore text C, S, 2 MOV underscore text shortest test dot MP4 foot. The user was able to successfully create a video with black background, multiple audio tracks, and subtitles in different languages. This command specifies the input files for black color, audio tracks, and subtitles, maps them accordingly, and sets the language metadata for each component. The addition of the CS flag ensures that the subtitles are encoded with the appropriate format. In summary, we've addressed a common issue faced while working with FFmpeg, guiding you through a step-by-step solution to create a video with multiple audio tracks and subtitles. By using the provided FFmpeg command, you can effortlessly generate a professional-looking video that meets your requirements. Feel free to experiment with different settings and configurations to further enhance your video editing skills. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. And as they say in the world of tech, stay encoding and keep creating.